Hi guys, so today we have woken up and driven to a famous place called Achmelvich. It's in the northwest of Scotland, and it's part of our bucket list things to do whilst doing the NC500. Now, I've heard a lot about this place. I'm told it's got a beach just like, the one that we saw in St. Ives, that's really tropical and Mediterranean, white sandy beaches. So we are here to check it out for the first time, and you guys will be seeing it for the first time too, as I see it. And I think it's peeking through already. Oh mama, it's looking great. Here we go. Let's walk straight there and see what this place is all about. I'm super excited to check it out, and yeah, we'll get closer and film a little bit more. Oh my gosh, this is nuts! No bloody way. This is nuts, Junes. How can there be a place like this? Have a look at this, guys. This is insane. Wow, check that out. Can you imagine? Look at the sand. It's like a freaking look. Oh my god, I just feel like running right now. Yeah. I'm running to the beach, guys. This is amazing. Oh man. Okay, calm down. Oh. Hi, morning. Oh my gosh. Oh, oop. I should calm down a little bit. I think the tide is out, so I just want to get close to that turquoise space there. Oh. Wow. Can you imagine this place in the summer? Holy Jesus. Must be a blast being here. Oh. Wow. Scotland keeps giving. Check out the panorama. It's fantastic. It's breathtaking. Wow. Yeah, guys, you definitely have to come here. Whatever you do, I think everyone has to do the NC500 once in their lifetime. Apparently you can actually do it in in 2 days, because NC actually means North Coast 500 miles. I know it looks humongous on the on Google Maps, but in reality you can do it in 2 days. I suggest that you don't, because there's a lot to see, and we've already skipped a few bits here and there because we just got carried away. But yeah, the NC500 is just epic. Like, it's the stuff of dreams, really and truly. Hey, Puna, should we try walking down that way? I think we're gonna walk down that. Look at, oh my god, does it look so nice in the video there? Oh man. The world is amazing. The world is beautiful. It's amazing once you get out of that small bubble that some of us are in. Once you jump out of that bubble, there's a lot to enjoy about life, trust me. And right now I'm just having one of those moments where I'm like, wow, it's just really nice to be out and seeing all these places. But yeah. I mean, we've been to so many little towns, and I often thought, what do these people do for work? You know, they can't all be fishermen. You know, I'm not being rude, guys, here to all the guys from the small little towns I've been to. I'm not being rude, I'm being honest, like genuine. I did want to know, you know, it's like, what do they all do? And it transpires apparently, you know, because of the internet, lots of people just basically, you know, do art and sell their art on the internet. Others just work for the local councils, you know, like Binman and also like Royal Mail and so on and so forth. But some of these places are really, really, really remote. And oh yes, and many of them are like farmers too. Many of them are like, yeah, farmers. So yeah, there is life out here, despite what I think in my, you know, city type brain. I mean, when you're living out here, you have to plan everything for the week, you know. Get the diesel for the car or the petrol, go out and do the shopping, all in one go. Things that we take for granted living in cities, you know. It's like, oh yeah, I'll pop down the shop. It's just 2 minutes down the road. Over here, you literally have to jump into a car and drive to a shop. But yeah, I'm sure they're really close-knit too as well, you know. Like a close-knit community here. And oh man, they are so friendly down here, or up here should I say. They are super friendly. I don't know what's wrong with us in the south. We just have a lot of stress in us, especially from London. We just constantly stress. We don't say hello to each other, even to even to neighbors. But here, I mean, I'm sure you've heard even in the video as I'm walking past, people, guys are just saying hi, and you know, you just say hello back. It felt a bit strange first when I left London, driving up north, you know, as you're walking past people saying hi, you know, it's like, wait, you know, of course you don't know me, but okay, hi. So you get used to it. It's really nice. What? Oh my god, look, guys, look at this place. I wish I could dip in there, but as you know, things might look fantastic there in the video, but in reality, I think I must touch the water though, at least. Let's touch the water. Let's test and see how cold it is. Oh, it's pretty cold. It's super cold. Yeah. Looks amazing, but it's still cold. Do you think it gets warmer here in the summer? I think you were telling me something about, oh yeah, it doesn't taste as salty as I thought it would, by the way. I just tasted it. Yeah, I just tasted the water. It's not as salty as like the mud. Junes, did you say something to me in regards to temperatures up here in the summer, and that the water temperature doesn't really change much at all?
I guess it doesn't change too much.
So basically they don't get like heat waves up here, do they?
No.
Wow.
It changes a little bit.
Hmm. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. I think I butchered the name of the place. How's it pronounced, June? How is it pronounced? How's this beach pronounced?
Achmelvich.
Achmelvich. I hope I've got it right. To all the Scots that might come across this video, I sincerely apologize. I think it's Achmelvich. So not because it's a CH at the end. Achmelvich. Oh! Almost fell in a puddle. Anyway, guys, yeah, so I guess this is going to be it for Achmelvich. Just imagine coming here in the summertime. You can have a blast. You know, it's really remote, so it's not like as though there's, you know, like hotels behind here that are humongous with like 10,000 people in them or something of the like. No, we're in a really remote place right now. Trust me, it's like, yeah, we're just like very far away. Yeah, there isn't actually any 4G signal here either as well, or 3G. So any of you coming out to do the NC500, do not forget that this place is remote, and in some cases you won't have any internet or 3G or 4G. So yeah, just come out and have a blast, enjoy the space, and don't leave a mess behind you. Just leave footprints. Yeah, I didn't coin it, guys, but it's a nice phrase. Okay, let's see what else we come across. So we're making our way to the Clashnessie Falls. Yeah, and this is what it currently looks like as we make our way there. This is the terrain, and that's the falls over there. So the thing is that apparently when it rains, the falls are much more spectacular than what they are right now. But we'll have a look when we get much closer and see, you know, how cool they look. It's still worth the trek anyway. I would say this trek was about, at this point, it's about a 15-minute trek to get here. So yeah, let's wait and see what the Clashnessie Falls look like in a bit. How cool is this? There's hardly, well, there isn't anybody here apart from those, you know, the sheep and lamb somewhere up there. Yeah, so there's no humans here, which is cool. We've got this whole place to ourselves. Yay! And yeah, look, this is what it looks like. Yes, the piece de resistance of the falls. Ooh, it's tricky. It's tricky. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, there's another way round that brings you closer. Why did I come this way? Oh. But this is the waterfalls, guys. This is what we worked so hard for. So yeah, when it rains, apparently, you know, the falls look much better with a lot more water than this.